Hey guys, it's Janice. Welcome back. So I've always been commented on how fast I type, so for this video, although it's a bit random, I'm gonna share some tips on how to become a fast typist, but do keep in mind that this is what works for me. The first thing that made the biggest difference for me was to stop relying on my pinky finger to type. When I learned how to type, it was really strongly emphasized that I should use my pinky to hit outer keys on either side like A or Q, but in my experience, pinkies are rather weak and have a limited range of motion compared to other fingers, which makes reaching for certain keys feel kind of awkward. So I replaced this with my ring finger and it makes hitting keys so much easier. Now I only use my pinky finger for the occasional shift or caps lock, maybe the A occasionally, but other than that I never use it for typing. Note the position of my hand when typing and which keys they hit. I also very rarely use my right pinky for anything. My right thumb is always kept on the spacebar, and my left thumb doesn't do anything. So with those out of the picture, I really only type with 7 fingers. Another important tip to do with the fingers is to keep your nails short. No matter what keyboard you're typing on, you might notice that long nails might cause you to start hitting other keys by accident. If not that, then your nails are probably uncomfortably bumping into other keys. You'll probably notice this more if you're typing on flatter keyboards like the ones on the Magic Keyboard or MacBook. In fact, your fingers might be angled awkwardly, which kind of impairs your ability to type even faster. So keep your nails short.